Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back once again on Xplody FPS. It's your host Saira here. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through a solid alternative to stereo mix. Now yeah, I'll admit it's a bit trickier compared to the regular stereo mix setup, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes super manageable. Don't skip any part because I'll guide you through how this tool works, how to set it up properly, and how to use it on apps like Discord, or even when you're playing audio through VLC, Chrome, Edge, or any other media player or web browser. So stick with me till the end. I'll explain everything in the easiest possible way so you can start using it smoothly without running into any annoying issues. Alright, so for this method, we'll be using VB audio cable adapter. Think of it like a virtual cable. You're basically connecting audio from one app to another, like giving input from your system and hooking up its output directly into Discord, or any other app that supports mic input. First things first, we need to install it. So go ahead and open any browser on your PC, and like I always recommend, just head to google.com. I know some users aren't too comfortable with internet surfing, so I prefer using Google search because it keeps things simple and shows consistent results. Once Google is open, type in VB audio cable, then hit enter. You'll see the official website at the top. Don't worry, I'll also drop the exact link in the description so you can directly access the download page. From there, you'll find options for both Mac and Windows. Since I'm on Windows, I'll click on the Windows download to get a zip file. Once it's downloaded, just extract it right there in the same folder. We'll need the setup file from that. Alright, now once you've extracted the zip file, open the folder. You'll see two setup files in there. Since I'm using a 64-bit version of Windows, I'll go ahead and choose the 64-bit setup, but make sure always right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. That's important so the driver installs correctly. Now click on Install Driver, and in just a few seconds you'll get a pop-up saying Successfully Installed, Reboot Required. Rebooting isn't really necessary, but here's what's important. After installation, check your sound settings and make sure your output device is still your speakers or headphones, not VB cable output, because if it gets switched, you won't hear any sound from your PC. Now let's set it up with a media player. I'm using VLC, so let's open it. Click on Tools, then Preferences, and head over to the Audio tab. Now change the audio output to VB cable output. This will send VLC sound into the virtual cable instead of your default speakers. Once that's done, just close and relaunch VLC. Now play the audio you want to transmit, and boom, it's ready to go. Now let's say you want to use it with Discord. Open Discord, go into Settings, then into Voice and Video. Under Output Device, choose VB cable output. Because now, VLC is playing audio into that virtual cable and Discord is picking it up as input. It's really that simple. Same goes for Chrome or any browser. Just open Chrome, then search on Google for Audio Output Extension. I'll show you how I use it. Once you install and pin it, you can quickly set the audio output for a specific tab. Here I'm playing a video. Now I'll just set the output to VB cable output, and boom, that's it. You can now route browser audio wherever you want. That's it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.